Exchanges are controlled by shadowy magnets, transnational corporations, and banks manipulate codes. Wiping out your deposit and everything that happens on the chart is just an illusion. If I already had something like this before, hello everyone, this is Jamal. We live in a world where conspiracy theories are extremely popular, and the world of investing and trading is no exception. In this video, I'll try to break down all the myths and show how things really work. In other words, we will debunk stock market conspiracy theories. One of them, by the way, claims that it's impossible to make big money in trading. So I will start with $10, and by the end you'll find out how much I managed to earn using my strategy. You watch this video to the end so you don't get fooled and find out how I make money. Let's go. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. The EUR GBP pair, that's what I'll be choosing. Take a look at this sudden price reversal. The asset sharply changed its trajectory. The only question is, could we have predicted it? Yes, it's easily possible, and we can even profit from it. How about the two indicators, Fractal and CCI? And now we can analyze the scenario in detail. We draw lines from the fractals and observe how the price reacts to them. When a breakout occurs, the price continues moving in the direction of the crossover. But the reversal moment is even more interesting. Right here, the asset bounced back above the fractal, and that was precisely the moment the direction changed. Just need to pay attention to what the CCI was showing at this moment. This indicator exists its channel right before pauses in movement or reversal. These scenarios happen all the time and serve as a warning for us. In trading terms, this is called oversold. By combining it with fractals, we can predict changes in price direction. Now let's look at what CCI overbought looks like. This is the opposite situation here. We had another oversold condition, and then the indicator crossed the line here and here. This coincides with small price pullbacks and could have saved us from losses. Okay, I think you've already guessed the key mechanism of this strategy. Fractal shows the direction of movement. CCI provides early warning and strengthens our understanding of the situation. Right now, I'm planning to open a trade on the same chart. Since we have a price reversal, we'll try to trade the entire upward movement. Yes, alright, I'm in the market. Let's analyze the current situation. The CCI has exited the oversold zone. At the same time, we've broken through one lower fractal, and now we are approaching a second one right here. After the initial upward push, I expect the momentum to continue. By the way, there's an almost invisible to the naked eye bounce off another fractal here, which means we enter the market at the perfect time. Also worth noting, the CCI isn't even close to overbought yet, so there's no reason to doubt this trade success. Ever heard that banks manipulate currency prices? This conspiracy goes like this. Big financial institutional places trades to push assets in their desired direction while forcing other traders into losing position. It's one of the most common myths in trading. Now I'll close this trade and explain why that's simply not true. First profit locked in, guys. We'll be re-entering the market shortly. Now, about banks manipulating prices. They can't, because such action are strictly monitored and illegally. Take the 2015 Forex scandal as proof. Major players like HSBC, Barclays, ROBS, UBS, JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Bank of America were caught red-handed colluding on currency rates. After years of investigation, they were found guilty of market abuse and fined billions collectively. Second trade is live. Let's analyze the setup. Price has climbed above our fractal and continue rising. Another key level awaits ahead, likely to be breached soon. So banks aren't raising prices. But what about brokers? You've probably seen claims online about shady brokers scamming traders. Let's be clear, this is massive exaggeration. While legitimate regulated brokers exist and I've traded with them for years, but there are indeed scammers impersonating them. Your mission is simple: Learn to spot the difference. I've created a definitive guide on my Telegram channel on how to find a reliable broker and avoid scams. You follow the link and check all the things I put in my Telegram channel yourself. I also share trading signals, where and what you can use to earn your first profit on pocket option. Just close our second long position profitably. I'm taking a quick breather before we continue. Now, let's debunk the biggest fantasy in trading. The holy grail strategy myth. That magical system promising 100% wins. Complete fiction. Markets evolve, so must your strategies. Meanwhile, I'm back in the market. Notice how the price keeps recovering. Every dip gets bought up. Here's the next target level where price is heading right now. The CCI isn't still overbought, so we are comfortably waiting for that upside. Now back to the holy grail myths. Why do you think I keep sharing new trading strategy with you? Because there's no one size fits all solution that works in all market conditions. Some strategies become obsolete over time, others works in best trading markets. Certain approaches are tailored for specific currency pairs or trading sessions. Here's the kicker. A strategy might work perfectly for me, but fall completely for you. That's why the holy grail doesn't exist. Stop searching for it. Instead, focus on sharpening your market analysis skills. Alright, I've already had locked in 5 times of my starting capital. While we wait, let me debunk another myth trading for you. This one relatively new and is tied to tech advancements. They claim that human traders are obsolete because bots and AI now control the market. Quick trade check-in first. Our uptrend remains strong. Price has already retraced halfway back up. Here's our final target. The origin point of this move, personally I'll be trading up to these levels, as you can see. Now back to bots. While AI is indeed advancing rapidly, its market impact remains minimal today. From my experience, most trading bots perform poorly. They are unprofitable without constant turning, they lack human intuitions, and they can't properly interpret news events. In other words, bots are inferior to humans in every aspect and can't truly compete with us. Sharpen your skills consistently and you will outperform any automated system. Perfect, guys. Another profit trade closed. Current risk exposure $93. I'm taking a quick breather before we jump back into trading. This trading session started exceptionally well, and I'm now confident we'll find several more opportunities on this same currency pair. Back in the market, guys, let's allow the assets climb steadily while we tackle another persistent mate. That trading is inherently rigged. Where prices are manipulated, charts are fabricated, and profits are impossible. In other words, there's this widespread belief circulating online that everything in the market is rigged. That only exchange owners and big players on private platforms can actually profit. It may suggest real trading happens in some secret clubs, while we retail traders are just slammed to the slaughter. If that were true, video wouldn't exist, would it? Yes, losses happen in trading, but consistent profits are absolutely achievable if you are willing to put in the work. Just close another position, guys, as you can see now, up 16x our starting capital. Every decision I make based on cold hard market analysis, no insider trick, no magic formulas. In other words, I maintain full control, I follow my strategy precisely, and that's exactly why I'm seeing consistent results. And yes, entering another trade now, price is steadily approaching our targets, and I intend to ride this move to completion. Why does the "you can't make money trading" myth persist? It's simple. Most traders refuse to face reality. Like, they see they can just sign up with a broker and start trading, and suddenly they think they are mentally spending millions on a daily penthouse. This entitlement mentality, expecting profits without putting up work, is why accounts blow up. What outcome do you think this approach brings? Well, trade updates. Price is nearing our original breakdown point. If we don't see content soon, I will switch pairs, and we've already extracted solid profits here. Perfect, guys. I'm in profit again, but I'm noticing the market is losing momentum, and soon trading here will become too risky. So I'll take one more position before reassessing the situation. I'm sure you're eager to see how this strategy works in other charts. Alright, no need to wait. Entering another trade right now. Let's see how it plays out. While we wait, let's debunk the final myth. Trading isn't dangerous because it's some rigged casino like a game. The real problem lies with traders who refuse to grow. Those waiting for luck instead of studying strategies, reading market literature, or perhaps following financial news. Ask them anything, my students know, and they likely won't have answers. Yet, they are convinced their broker should magically grow their accounts. That's not how it works. You either evolve as a trader and earn serious money, or you keep losing by refusing to improve. Another profitable trade closed, guys. Time to switch assets. The CCI exiting overbought territory now, and I'm making the move. Alright guys, let's trade this straightforward setup. I'm entering long here. The CCI left oversold, signaling upward potential, and the price is completing a smooth reversal with a fractal breakout. The price has been consolidating and building energy this whole time, and now we are set for a powerful breakout. Let's see just how high these rockets can fly. Final me today. Some markets are profitable, others aren't. Crypto and binary options get the most hate. That's completely nonsense. Any liquid market can be traded profitably. Where there is a financial instrument, liquidity, and exchange, there is opportunity. It all comes down to your own efforts, and there's no excuses allowed. Okay, just closed in another winning position. Now let's find our final trade of the day on a fresh chart. Alright, let's execute at least one short trade today. Our setup. First, CCI exiting overbought territory. First, bearish signal. Second, previous candle broke the lower fractal and it confirms downward momentum, and we are anticipating further downside. Even though we are entering a green candle, sometimes the market fools the unprepared. So what have we learned about trading myths? They are everywhere, and today we've debunked the most dangerous ones. Many traders prefer conspiracy theories over doing the actual work of understanding markets. This self-deception creates ineffective traders. Trust only what you have tested yourself. Keep experimenting and you keep growing. That's the only real edge in this business. With enough skills, this myth will eventually make you smile. And guys, on my final trade updates, you can say it's perfect. Our last trade closed profitably, and it's time to review today's results. Alright guys, we started with just $10 and grew it over 160 times. If you ever thought this was impossible, congrats, we've just debunked another trading myth. Take this powerful strategy, test it yourself, and stop believing the nonsense people spread about real trading. Want real market knowledge? Join my Telegram, the link is in the description, and as you know, I share live trade signals, exclusive market insights, and also a beautiful bonus for you guys, special pocket option promo code that boosts your deposit by 50%. Use it to maximize your profits from day one. Your feedback fuels this channel. So remember, like, comment, and help push these YouTube videos to more people in need of this trading strategy. Subscribe, unlock more advanced content, share your personal trading myths in comments. Let's debunk them together. That's all for today, guys. Trade smart and see you in the next session.